Hi guys, after a long time I'm going to make this vlog because today I came here with a view to having a walk and in order to stroll. So as you can see, the birds are chirping everywhere. The environment is quite beautiful. It's engaging. It's a magnificent for me. What should I say? It's a phenomenal. And yesterday I was in the room and I was feeling bad. So I thought I should go for a morning walk. As you can see, I came here for a morning walk, and as you can see, lots of people are there. They are having exercise and they are doing something different. I don't know what they are saying actually. So as you can see, because the morning walk is the best tonic for our complete health. It keeps both mental and physical health. It keeps our mind, body fit, and because now I am getting clean, clear, fresh air, and now as you can understand, I am getting fresh oxygen. And you can understand that fresh oxygen can clean my blood. So this is my place. Rarely I come here. I always speak in my video, I come here daily, but it's hard nut to crack for me. This is not a piece of cake for me because in winter season people can come, in summer season people can come, but in winter it's quite difficult. It's hard nut to crack. I can't come here daily. But yeah, because I came here around 6 am and now it's 8 am. So I'm making this vlog. Suddenly I was going and I was moving here, so I thought I should record today's video. So I have recorded. So as you can see guys, because sometimes it is good for health. Every day I try to come here guys. Today I have to go to my college, and my college is also ancient. The name of my college is Safia.